So when you're thinking about lighting, you've built this beautiful project, you've designed this beautiful project. The lighting is like the extra mile. It's that little extra that takes the project from awesome to mind-blowing. Don't cut yourself short. Make the magic, do the lighting. Think about it from when you start the project, because it all has to be integrated in. We design lighting from when we're designing the initial concept of the project, and that's why you see the magic that you see. Lighting, it's the finishing touch on your design. It sets the mood, it creates drama, it highlights the architecture. A lit space can look completely different at night. Design doesn't end when the sun goes down. So some of the principles of outdoor lighting design. You want to do layering to create the drama, to create the shadow lines. You want to use it to create focal points. The lighting that we use is award-winning lighting from Europe that wins its awards for the beauty of its color. The greens at night are, and just the natural colors that it brings out at night are just mesmerizing. Control of the lighting. You may not want an entire space lit for the entire night. You don't want the kitchen lit late at night. The way that the lighting breaks down, that's a really important part of how we design the lighting. So you have up lighting, showcasing trees, posts, walls, down lighting, soft natural effects from above, washing down walls, very cool effect. Path lighting, very functional lighting, but really can create some cool drama when you wash that light across the path. So let's talk about technology for a second and smart integration. All the stuff that we use is low voltage, sustainable low energy use, which is good for everybody. And the smart systems we use, the app-based controls. One of the cool features with InLight is you can set up their geo-clock. The lights will always come on a half an hour before sunset, regardless of when sunset is. So it's really a set it and forget it kind of thing. So some of the common mistakes to avoid: overlighting, too bright, losing ambiance, too much light washes everything out. Remember when I said about designing with shadow as much as you do with light? The positive and the negative. That's where you create the 3D, and that's all about the placement of the lights. So poor placement can kill your lighting design. So I hope this inspires you guys to do some really cool stuff and do some really cool things with lighting. And if this helped you out, like, follow, you guys know the deal.